a tech review of a brand new microphone, VM20, that just got released from Comica, which should be really good for your YouTube, vlogging, professional use. So let's test right away. So I have now come into the quieter corner to explain to you guys a bit more about the mic and the feature. So inside the box you see the shotgun mic, windscreen, the shock mount which you can put on top of your camera, and the wind muff. It feels so nice. And the 3.5 TRRS audio cable. So now I'll assemble the mic so that I'll be using this mic. So 95% of the sound that you hear are from this mic, but I'll have all the description here. So you can actually see how the mic has a very nice metallic finish, and with Comica logo, and there's a button. So if I just turn it on by pressing a bit longer, you can see how the battery is actually almost 100%. And I actually last charged it about a couple of weeks ago when I was recording some of my indoor finance videos. And still it's almost 100. That's great. Quickly, just to note, it gets charged by the USB-C cable, which is also included in the box. So now the mic is switched on, I'm going to actually put it on my mobile phone. This is seriously the best feature about this microphone. With this entire setup and with just one single cable without an adapter. Here. So here you have the complete vlog setup. You don't need an extra camera, although I do have a camera here. And you have the shotgun mic, which I think will have great sound from the shotgun mic directly facing me. You can dial the number 0 to 10 to see, what kind of volume you want. For me, I actually do prefer sort of 0 or 1 so that it only takes in my voice. And of course, if you want to cut out the sound of the wind, then I usually would always have, I would always have the wind muff on my mic so that it protects the mic as well as get rid of all the wind noise. So is my voice any different? Alright, so I've already listened to my video just now, recorded here. The voice sound crisp and loud, really liking it. So I right now have it dialed at 2 for some reason. So I'm just gonna turn it. So I'm just gonna turn to 10. Is anything different? I'm at sound 10. I'm at sound 10, but if I turn the other way, then it's going smoothly down to, I don't know, to 1, 2, 3. Now it's probably 0. Yes, I think it is 0. So was my sound any different? I'm just gonna keep talking randomly and then you can hear any difference in my voice. I'm looking not great in this angle. Okay, what do you think? I don't know, you have to listen for yourself because I'm not sure if there's much difference. Also, there's an option 75 or 150 decibel. So that's the low cut filter. Right now, mic is too near my mouth, so I don't think you will hear much difference. So what I'm gonna do is press once and 75 is turned on. So is my voice any different? I don't know. The weather is very nice. It's the autumn blue sky. Okay. And then now I will press button one more time. So right now it's 75. If I press one more time, 150 blue light is on. So I don't know if any of my voice is different. And then in this side you can see flowers, and then there is a lot of nice shrubs behind me. Okay, so right now I do have myself talking to the camera with the shotgun mic. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys. So right now I do have my Comica VM20 mic on top of my camera. So I'm just talking to myself on the camera so that you guys can hear what it feels like, especially depending on the distance. So this is, I think, sort of a comfortable distance, about a little more than a meter away from the camera. So my setup at this point in time is volume 10 and nothing pressed at that 150, 75. And I'm gonna actually put higher, and now I'm gonna put a longer distance so that you guys can hear depending on the purpose of your filming. So let me just move it away from me. Yes. So now this is 1, 2, 3, roughly about between 3 to 4 meters. Can you hear me well? So if for any random reason you are really far from the camera, I think the greatest solution is actually stick it onto your mobile phone and use the voice recorder within the mobile phone and later sync it with your camera. That's one option which this shotgun mic offers. Okay, right now I've moved indoor with Comica VM20. So right now in an indoor environment, my setting is volume 0. That's how I like having my Comica VM20. So you only hear my voice crystal clear. So I've checked out Comica VM20 in many different scenarios, and I'll actually keep my Comica VM20 in the indoor environment because I realized that it picks up my voice at a very consistent level as opposed to my wireless option, where sometimes I can see that voice gets a bit of a burst when I start speaking, which means I have to edit a bit more. So I'm definitely keeping VM20 for my indoor environment. So in the outdoor, I find the shotgun mic a little bit too big. It's a bit more noticeable for people and people may wonder what I'm up to. So I'd like to keep it sort of wireless, and Comica offers the wireless option. And you should check them out because wireless microphone is so convenient, especially outdoor. I'm a one-man person or one-woman person, so I'll run around a lot. So I like having my mic connected right below my mouth and then connected wirelessly to the camera. So Comica offers a lot of different range of microphone products for your needs, so make sure you check out their product range. And going forward, inside my studio, if I'm recording indoor, you'll be hearing my voice via Comica VM20. So if you want more samples, then you definitely want to make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and see you!